download button. Link below in the description.
I'm minding my own damn business. Don't try to find me. I'm better left alone than in this. It doesn't surprise me.
Now open Spotify and go to settings, then enable crossfade and set the duration to 8 seconds.
Find somebody else. It could be anyone else out there. No,
Download VB Audio and install it.
I never wanna see you and I never wanna miss you again. One thing, when you're angry, you're a jerk and then you treat me like I'm worth nothing. No fair. I don't ever wanna.
After extracting it, click on Setup, or if your operating system is 32 bits. Or Setup x64 if it is 64 bits, and open it. And finally install it. Click Start, type this, control.x/name Microsoft.sound. Right-click Cable Input. Properties. Set to 16-bit, 44,100 Hz CD quality. Click Apply and Accept. Change the output for Spotify to cable input and restart your machine. In But, click Settings and click Audio, set audio device to cable output Windows WASAP. Play any song and click Record between 5 and 10 seconds of audio to test that the audio is clear. Download the next zip and extract it. Right-click the PS1 file and run it in PowerShell. Now click Settings in the main tab and click Add. Then configure it. Use your streaming credentials. Good job, now you're all configured. To go live, ensure your sound mixer has Spotify outputting to cable, also that your PC is not set to output the rest of your audio to cable.
Swear I couldn't sleep awake last night. No point in turning off the lights. Not the same without your head on my shoulders. Growing pains, but I don't wanna get.
If you want to speak with a microphone on air, you need to download and install Voice Meter.
Never late to rest. Didn't know that the party was over. And it's true that I need you here closer. Burning photos. How to learn to let go.
Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a comment if you have any questions.